What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle. In today's video, it is cold outside, the first cold day in Maryland right now. So I figured let's go for a ride. We'll shoot the breeze, talk about what I'm doing next with the bike, what's going on probably next week, and yeah, and all that good stuff. So anyways, let's go with the intro and let's check out this video. Ooh, my nips are hard. That's why I love my motorcycle. Hit the throttle and just take off, baby. Ooh! Oh my Lanta. Go, Lance, go! We're gonna do it. Oh man, so good. What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life. I want to share my journey too through my eyes. What's good, y'all? Woo, baby! It was cold. It's about 53 degrees right now, so it's really not that bad because you know how it is in Maryland. 53 degrees. When I was in Connecticut, 53 degrees and sunny was pretty chilly, but in Maryland it could be like 35 degrees and sunny, and that sun makes it feel like 55 degrees and gorgeous, baby. But yeah, so today we're just doing a quick grocery run right now. I actually got to get my medication, my seizure medication. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. Figure out to take y'all with me with my little ride, you know. It's fall, y'all, so we're gonna do some nice fall videos, you know, about how to ride in the, watch out for the leaves, all that good stuff. I'm gonna make those videos once it's a nice rainy day, all that good stuff, you know. But first thing, go check out my Teespring right there. It's in my description. It's in my Instagram and TikTok. It's on my Linktree account. Also has my Venmo, so definitely, you know, you don't have to give me any money, all that good stuff, but you know, it'll help out the channel and all that good stuff, so I can, you know, pay it forward for others, and I can, you know, upgrade my camera setup, everything, so I can make better videos for y'all. And also I want to, you know, pay it forward for other people, for traumatic brain injury survivors and all that good stuff, so I can I want to help people out. You know, they helped me during my brain surgeries, and I want to help with others, you know what I'm saying? Woo, baby! It is gorgeous though with that sun. That breeze is a bit nipply, but that sun is nice. The more colder it gets, the more fun it is to ride on the bike. I don't know, the Harleys love cold weather. They love the cold air. Oh, I'm in neutral, that's why. I was like, why am I rolling? I'm in neutral. So there's a lot of new content I'm going to try to make. There's something big with the MotoMiracle family. There's something big with, there's some also like anxiety and highway. I'm going to do some more videos about that and all that good stuff. But yeah, one of the biggest thing is on my bike's hitting 15,000 miles. Normally I hit average 5,000 miles a year, which it's not, I'm not like, I want to ride a lot more, but still I know 5,000 miles is still a lot, you know. But the biggest thing also is 5,000 miles, it's expensive. It's not like getting an oil change is quick and easy and cheap on the bike. Right when you hit that every 5,000 miles, that gets pricey. $3,000, $300, $500 for the oil change and all that other good stuff. But you know, this is my baby. For some reason this year I didn't go 5,000 miles. I was very sick last year. Well, last year I was very sick. Well, not very sick. It was, I had my seizures, so you know what I'm saying, if I have seizures, I'm not getting on that bike. You know, it wasn't grandma's seizures, it was just I was feeling weird, and I was like, I'm not gonna risk myself, not gonna risk hurting someone else. You know, you gotta feel yourself. You gotta feel yourself. I'll feel it up, girl. No, you have to make sure you're feeling good before you're on the bike. You don't want to hurt anyone. You want to go down. This is my baby. This bike's expensive. Why would I, you know, risk my life? Why would I? Plus I had 10 brain injuries. Why would I risk myself getting hurt because the fact that just because I want to get on the bike and go, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's not how, it's about safety first. That's the biggest thing that I try to teach y'all. Be safe. I'll tell y'all how much it costs for the 15,000. I'll tell you what they fixed on it and all that good stuff like that, and all, you know, all that. If they have to, I think I might need to get a back brake eventually. Not yet. It's squeaking just a little, but it's okay. How are y'all doing? You know, I haven't really just talked to just y'all, just to my community over here, my MotoMiracle community, you know. I can't wait to tell y'all what's going on big on the MotoMiracle family. Can't wait, you know what I'm saying? I just can't wait. Where do y'all live right now? What's the weather? You guys are cold? Are you hot? Like I miss that Texas heat, but I don't miss that Texas heat. 120. But I hate, oh my gosh, this summer was hot, humid. It was when we did the Royal Enfield and Harley-Davidson in Baltimore, that was hot, man. I mean, it was 72 degrees, but I was wearing a cutoff t-shirt, my jeans, and I was sweating. I was sweating like a wet dog. Is that a saying? That's not a saying, is it? No. Well, I want to do MotoMiracle rides. I want to do a MotoMiracle ride, group ride, which I might do it soon. Maybe it's getting cold outside in Maryland. I mean, obviously it's going to be in the 70s in December in Maryland, so maybe I'll plan something. I'll talk to Birch, Life of Birch. Go watch his channel. He's an amazing guy, great content. But I'll go talk to him, see what he think in his mind is. Since he's done this before, big rides, you know. So I mean, you can go check this video out right here. And yeah, so maybe we'll see. Maybe we'll be able to make a ride this year. You know, even if it's only 10 people or 5 people, it's still the MotoMiracle community. You know what I'm saying? I want to do MotoMiracle events, kind of like Blockhead. I know he's big, Blockhead, but you know, I want to do like a MotoMiracle events, and it's more for like to raise money for traumatic brain injury survivors. And also, like, I was supposed to work with Brain Injury Association of Maryland, and yeah, I was supposed to last year, but I got really sick, and then we bought a new house, and then we got married, so I didn't have time to do it. So this year, hopefully, I'm gonna be able to work with them because they can help me with my content too. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully, we're gonna do that. Maybe make a video. Maybe we'll do an event. Maybe we'll make an event for MotoMiracle, a MotoMiracle event with Maryland Brain Injury Association of Maryland. That'd be dope. You know, why there's so many people here? Why? Perché? So I'll see y'all once I get my pills. All right, y'all. Woo. Man, what the heck? Mrs. Miracle misses New England. She misses the snow. You know, she likes the snow season and all that stuff. Obviously, fall season's her favorite, but she misses that snow, whatever. But you know what? We can go west to go to the snow. You know, we'll go to like Frederick or something. Why do we have to go? Why do we have to freeze our butts off? I'm the one doing the driveway, shoveling. With Miss Miracle, with her job, she had to wake up in the morning. And whether it doesn't matter what the season it was, doesn't matter if it was like 4 feet of snow. She had to be at work. So basically, she'd wake up. She had to leave at work at 3. I'd be up at 1:30 shoveling her spot, because we had a parking. We had a apartment, so we had our own parking spot. But you had 3 to 4 feet of snow. That takes forever. It's exhausting. It's freaking cold. I'm glad I don't gotta do that here. I don't mind doing snow once in a blue moon, you know what I'm saying? But right now, I'm good. Definitely go check out some of my videos though for Texas. There was some black ice I was riding in West Texas. That was sketchy, but you know, I ride all seasons. I ride all seasons, doesn't matter. Man, it's gorgeous out right now. Chilly, but gorgeous. But yeah, so where was I? I don't remember where I got my seizure medication. We're talking about doing a so if you guys are interested in the MotoMiracle meetup and ride, please let me know. Put it down in the description, because I definitely would. I would do a ride if some of y'all want to do it. You know, even if it's 2 of y'all, I don't care. I still want to do a ride. It's gonna be in Baltimore County. Yeah, I know it's not as beautiful as Annapolis, like Life of Birch does and all that, but we can find some nice hills and we can find some nice twisty roads, you know, Falls Road and all that good stuff. But yeah, we'll go somewhere. I don't know, we'll just make not a huge ride. We'll just kind of more just hang out, meet me, you know, enjoy the atmosphere for people put their bikes down for the season. Because I'm gonna go all year round. If there's any winter videos you want me to make, like what to do in the snow, like just random stuff, comment down below, like what to wear. I think I have a few videos. I'll put them up. I'll put them in the end screen. But please do like, comment, please hit that subscribe button, because it helps me out. You know, I definitely want to go start making money on YouTube, you know, so I can pay it forward. You know, like there's a lot more things I can do if I had money and had the channel to basically a bigger channel to follow me, you know, because more companies will follow me and want to do rides with me, do reviews for me and whatever with me, whatever. And that's what I want to do, you know. And like I said, I've had 10 brain surgeries. I have my peripheral vision. I have my bottom right quadrant. So you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. The bottom right on both sides, I don't see from there. So I had to adjust my vision from all these different angles. There's a lot of things from traumatic brain injury. So I want to tell y'all, like, it's possible to be on the bike. It's possible to be a motovlogger. It's possible to do all this stuff. You just got to keep grinding and be positive, you know. But that's like the biggest thing. That's why I want to pay it forward and help others, you know. Ooh, my nips are hard. Woohoo! Man, I'm excited though, really excited for something to show y'all about the MotoMiracle family. Like, you guys are my MotoMiracle family, so I don't even know. I just literally just love talking to y'all. Like, if I could just talk to you all the time, not just make, you know, product reviews, how-tos. If I could just, you know, make random videos of me going for a ride. Wow. Chitty chitty bang bang. Bang bang chitty chitty bang bang. Our plans are tender bang bang chitty chitty bang bang. Our fine for standard. Chitty bang bang chitty chitty bang bang. If I would go for rides, you know, go get like, if like I said, if I start getting money on YouTube, I can start doing like little, like, you know, reviews on. I can go do rides to amazing places, so I have the gas to go there, and then I can actually like say, there's like, oh, there's a nice food truck over here. Why don't you come over here and I'll review the food truck, all that stuff. Like, that's what I want to do, you know, on the bike. That's the best thing on 2 wheels, you know. But I don't got the money for that right now. You know, so that's what I want to do, is help others with that stuff. That's basically what I want to do, is I want to show y'all, welcome to Maryland, this is what we got, and this is what I want to do, and this is where you should go, help with the smaller businesses, you know. I don't like this. I need new bars, bro, because I had the Saddlemen Explorer seat, so it pushes me up higher. And then this one right here is like, you can see how low this angle is so down low. That is not a good angle. That's not a 90-degree angle, which I need, you know. Some Z bars. Harley-Davidson of Baltimore, if you're watching my videos, oh, that was not nice. Harley-Davidson Baltimore, try again. If you want to, you know, if there's any gear you want to give me, if there's, you want to give me some bars on here, I'll do a review on the bars on this. You know, I can sponsor with you. We'll do whatever videos you want me to do. I'll test ride bikes for you. I'll do whatever you want to help y'all. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I gotta get my TikTok a little better. You know, I used to shake my booty a little more. Now I'm just kind of do like, you know, little videos of me riding on the bike. But I kind of go back to shake my booty, because that's my thing. I'm like a Magic Mike, but not that ripped. Yeah, but yeah, definitely the Harley-Davidson. I'm sorry, my mind is just crazy right now. My mind just keeps going. Harley-Davidson Baltimore definitely helped me out. I would definitely like to help you out, and you can help me out at the same time. I would definitely, if I could sponsor y'all, if you can sponsor me, that would be the best thing, you know. I would love it. I would do any review, any type of products, anything you want me to write, make, do, I will do on my bike, on their bike, on whoever's bike. I just want to help the community, you know what I'm saying? The leaves are changing, you know what I'm saying? There's some red over here. It's not like Connecticut, it's not like New England where it's those beautiful, you know, those colors, but because it just dies almost. But the thing is, it gets some color, not as colorful and beautiful as New England, but it gets there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you have to watch out for that, those leaves now. And once it rains, I'll go for a ride and I'll show you how crazy it is with that, with those wet leaves are just like on black ice. It's the same thing almost. It's crazy. You want to race me, huh? No, we're not gonna race. There's a speed check over here. Smile for the camera. Yeah, there's some big stuff with the channel. Like I said, my merchandise is still, go check out my merchandise. It'll help me out with it'll definitely help me out if you buy some of my merchandise. MotoMiracle, I get I'm on Teespring, so they get most of it, and I get a chunk of just a small chunk of the process proceeds, whatever. But like I said, they're doing all I'm doing is I basically get the picture, make the video, make the like shirt, hoodie, whatever I want, and they do all the work. So technically I could go through another website, another company, and I get basically all the profits. But the thing is, if I get oh my gosh, if it's $45, say it's $45 for a hoodie, right, and I only get like $17 out of it, it's still $17 that I'm not even doing, you know what I'm saying? I just literally put a picture on my logo, put my logo on, and put like MotoMiracle on there, and they do all the hard work. So honestly, for $17 for me not even doing any work, not worrying about shipping, they worry about the shipping if something happens. So why does it matter, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I love this area right here. The first time oh my gosh, ah! The first time I went on this, downshifted to upshifted by accident. The first time I was on this this road, it's when we live in Owings Mills, and it was oh my Lanta, and it was crazy. Like, it was night out, and I was like, we're gonna get attacked, we're gonna get killed. Like, this looks beautiful right now, but at night, and you never lived on this road before, it lived in the state area, it is sketchy. You're just like, yeah, someone's getting murdered today. But it's beautiful during the day. I'm sweating right now, sweating and freezing at the same time. My upper body's sweating, my legs are freezing. Whew. Cojones are shriveling. There's definitely some content I have to make and want to make. I honestly, I'm telling y'all, I've been in a funk, you know. I've been in a bad funk. I haven't been feeling great. There's a lot been going on in life, you know, family stuff, and just, there's a lot been going on with my health. And I just want to feel better, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just want to feel better. I don't want drama. Like drama follows me even if I'm 5,000 miles away. Even if I'm, you know, 350 miles away, the drama somehow still catches to me, and I hate that, you know. Like, that's why I love my motorcycle. I can just, you know, enjoy it, hit the throttle and just take off, baby. Ooh, man, I've always wanted to do 2 videos a week, but due to my brain and my stress causes me to have seizures, like, you know, mental seizures. I kind of black out, and I can't, and it's like, then I can't do my videos. So it's kind of like, I want to do 2 videos a week, but it's a lot. Plus, you know, on this, basically, like, I don't have, like, I'm the one, I watch, I clean the house, I clean around the house, I do the dishes, I cook, like I'm the one that, because since I'm not working, Miss Miracle's making the dough right now, while I just, she's my sugar mama. But yeah, but you know, doing my 10 brain, so I can't work. But I know a lot of people are like, why don't you get a job, why don't you this, why don't you that. I can't do that because, like I said, they're like, why don't you get a job like I want to do a digital marketing job, you know what I'm saying, so I can do my own hours. But the class that I want to take to get the certification is $8,000. I don't have that money, you know. And then so that's why YouTube, like YouTube can help me with this. I can make money on YouTube and then clean around the house, and I feel like a bigger part of the family, you know what I'm saying. But because when I work, some days I'm out for 3 days because I'm not feeling good, and some days I'm out for 5 months because of my seizures, my brain, you know what I'm saying. So, and then you get fired. So it's hectic, and like I said, stress is the reason that most of my reason I have my seizures. So I like talking to y'all, though. You can make me, you know, I mean, if I'm having a bad day, I'm not feeling good, I'll go for a ride, talk to y'all, and you're the ones right there. You are. I gotta get a if once I get the money on, once I'm making money on YouTube, I can get another GoPro so I can, you know, actually see my angle, so I can point to a y'all instead of pointing at myself. But like I said, I just, like, you guys do a lot for me. You guys change my world, seriously. My speech, my everything, my speech, my positivity, everything that I do, like, I'm getting better, is a huge chunk is because of y'all, you know what I'm saying. So thank you for that, really, I'm serious, thank y'all for that. That's why I want to, you know, I want to do MotoMiracle events and kind of like give some stuff out, you know what I'm saying, do like free, get some t-shirts, get some hoodies, get some, like, you know, mugs, stuff like for free. But it's like, you know, first person there gets this, the third person here gets this, you know what I'm saying. It's just little stuff, like little raffling here and there. And then the raffle, we'll do some free stuff, but then we'll do some raffling stuff, like if you want some raffling and we raffle for it, then so that would be going to Brain Injury Associations of Maryland, so I can pay it forward like I want to do. I think I gotta pass this guy. We'll check. No one's behind me, no one's behind. Oh, there's a copy. We're gonna go for it, we're gonna go for it. Yeah, we're gonna go for it. We're gonna do it. And I got my logo on my back so they can go, hey, MotoMiracle's the one that's driving like a douche. Well, the speed limit is 35, he was going 20, so you gotta stop at some point, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna take a little longer to get home, you know what I'm saying, because I love going this way. But yeah, anything, if you want to make any videos, you want to talk to me about anything, if you want to meet up, I still have smaller stickers, so I'll give you free stickers. You want the bigger stickers, for some reason it's still not working. For some reason the sticker's not coming out the way I want it to, so I gotta still figure that out for the big stickers, so you can put on like the thermoses and all that stuff. But I've got a lot of merchandise stuff, and like I said, my Venmo account is just for gas, you know, get some coffee, basically to help support my channel, you know, so I can maybe raise some more, get some more money, so I get some better bars, get whatever. Or like I said, just put it literally be like, if you send me a Venmo account, you send me a Venmo and says, you know, $10 for Dunkin' and like whatever, I'll put it out in my next video, I'll put it on my Instagram. Oh my Lanta, go Lance, go! You know what I'm saying, though? I'll do that, and then if, like, it says, like, this is for whatever you need, you know, bikes, parts, whatever, this is for that, like, anything you want, like, whatever you put on that thing, I'm gonna use that money for it, you know. Or it could be like, that's for the Brain Injury Association of Maryland, like, I'll put that there, you know what I'm saying. That I just want to help others, you know. I can't work, so I want to make money somehow. I want to be productive. I want to be the husband that I want to be to Mrs. Miracle, you know. Give her some type of dough, you know, because she's the sugar mama, but I want to make more money on my YouTube channel and I want to be the sugar daddy, and we both make a good dough, so we can both make good money. All right, y'all, but this is gonna be the end of the video, though. So if you like this video, then please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, then please press that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. Till next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.